Illustration 10. Derry is a sole trader dealing in automobiles. From the following transactions, pass entries for the month of January 2018. So you have a certain amount of transactions, like 10 transactions you have, wherein the first one is commenced business with cash, with stock, with buildings. For each you have the amount. Okay, so here cash is coming in, stock is coming in, and building is coming in. So all these three are real accounts. So as per real accounts, the rule is debit what comes in. So these three should be debited. In commenced business means we'll treat it as the capital account. So it has to be cash account debtor, stock account debtor, buildings account debtor, that is 1 lakh, 2 lakhs and 5 lakhs, to Derry's capital account rupees 8 lakhs. Okay, this is how you have to write. The second one is purchase goods from A and Co on credit. It is for rupees 3 lakhs. So purchase goods means purchase is a nominal account. As per nominal account, when we make any expenses, then that is to be debited. So purchase is debited. From whom are we purchasing? A and Co. So A and Co becomes the giver. So purchases account data to A and Co rupees 3 lakhs. So you will write purchases account data to A and Co rupees 3 lakhs. Third one is cash deposited into bank. Okay, cash deposited into bank means here cash is moving out of your business. You are taking cash from the business, depositing the same into the bank. So bank is the personal account. As per personal account, we have to debit the receiver. So here banker is the receiver. So we write bank account data to cash rupees 80,000 as the third entry. So bank account data to cash rupees 80,000. Okay. The fourth one is purchase goods from B and Co and payment made through credit card. Okay, even though we have purchased from this person, we have made the payment. Okay, so we should not take this name. Okay, instead through credit card we have paid. So bank is one account, purchase is the other account. Purchase, it is again an expense, so we have to debit this as per the nominal account rule. Bank is a personal account. As per this personal account, we have to credit the giver. So payment is made through credit card means bank is paying on behalf of us. So bank is the giver here. So we'll write bank purchases account data to bank rupees 5,000. Then fifth one, paid A and Co through RTGS. So again RTGS means real time gross settlement. Again this is also done through the banking system. So paid A and Co. So here if you see there is no amount given, you have to check whether we have already purchased from A and Co. That is on 2nd we have purchased for rupees 3 lakhs. So now when we are paying to A and Co becomes the receiver. Since he comes under the personal account, receiver should be debited. How are we paying? We are paying through the RTGS, which is to be considered as bank. Bank is the giver here, so we have to credit this account. You will write this as A and Co account data to bank account rupees 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs is taken from this transaction. Then the sixth one is sold goods to C and Co and check received. So whenever you see these two words, check received, you have to treat it as cash account. Even though check is given, if it is received, you will treat it as cash. If it is paid, you will treat it as bank account. Okay, there's a difference between these two. Check received means cash account should come. Check paid means bank account should come. Okay. Sold goods to C and Co and check received. Sold, again sales as per nominal account. Whenever we make sale, what happens? Income will be there, right? So all the incomes should be credited. So sales account will be credited. Check received means we are receiving cash here. So cash account should be debited. What comes in should be debited as per the real account rule. So we are debiting the cash account. Now the entry will be cash account debtor to sales account rupees 50,000. Then deposited the check received from C and Co. The previous transaction we saw, we sold goods and we received the check, right? Now we are depositing the check from whatever we have received from C and Co. with the bank. So when you deposit your check into the bank becomes the receiver, so you write it as debit the receiver. So bank account is debited. What are we giving is the check, okay? Whatever we have received as check is being deposited. Check received should be treated as cash. So cash goes out of the business, so you have to credit. Now you will write it as bank account debtor to cash account, rupees 50,000. Again here also amount is not given, which means wherever you see where we have sold for C and Co, from there you have to take up the amount. The previous transaction itself is from C and Co, so take the same amount. Eighth one, purchases goods from Z and Co and paid through debit card. We are purchasing goods from Z and Co, but we paid, so we should not take this one, okay? If it is on credit only, we will take this. So purchases should be debited. Always purchases should be debited. Through debit card is given. Debit card is again bank transaction, right? So through the bank only we are paying, which means bank is the giver. So purchases account debtor to bank, rupees 12,000. And ninth one is stationery purchased for and paid through net banking. So except goods, if you see any other purchases, you have to take what we have purchased exactly. So now this is stationery here, which is again a nominal account. What it is an expense for us, because we are purchasing stationery, it's an expense for us, and we are paying it through the net banking. Again online transaction is being done, so bank will come here. Your entry will be stationery account debtor to bank account, rupees 6,000. Then the last one is income tax of dairy is paid by check. Always income tax is to be treated as personal account, and also this is treated as drawings, okay? So drawings as per personal account we are debiting. Paid by check, so paid by check means we have to treat it as bank account. Received by check means cash, paid by check means bank account. So here we are paying it to the through the bank, so bank is the giver here, okay? So the entry should be drawings account debtor to bank account, rupees 10,000.